Guys, I'm gonna spill the beans, okay? I'm going to tell you how I still make a few $1,000s, not much, maybe like $1.5 to $2,000 every single month from royalties, even if I completely quit music and didn't make a single beat in 3 years. You want to know how? Here's the strategy. So step one, you need to get one big placement. So when I say big placement, it means two things. You can either choose like one big artist making a small song with you. So you can make a shitty song for Future or whatever. I mean, it sounds hard. It is. Either that, or you can make like a quote unquote TikTok song with like many plays. For me, it was more like the TikTok song route. So I had a TikTok song with like whatever, 100 million plays, and I have two actually. I have You and I by Diego and Nenning B by Nick Makina is like whatever, some Asian song. But anyways, once you have that, you have like one big song, you can reach out to people and be like, hey, I'm such and such. For me, it was like, hey, I'm Rocco Tase. I made this song. Can I send you some beats? We just split revenue, okay? Now, you do this on scale. You know, actually, there's a bit more technicalities on how to send emails. You don't use an autoresponder CRM, none of that. It's very different. You need to have different domains. And actually, I'm thinking about, if you're interested, I could like make a video about it. Anyways, but essentially, you send a bunch of emails to people. It's like, hey, I can give you a free license to this beat. Just add me on DistroKid or TuneCore, or whatever you use. And then what happens is that when people do that on scale, one song makes you $1 a month. One song makes you $5. One makes you $20. But the thing is, you have like 300, 400, 500 songs. On my DistroKid, I have maybe 250 songs. It doesn't matter if they make $2 a month or $3 a month. They could all make like for example, they could all make like $5 a month. My rent is paid, no problem, you know? So again, this is not a move that is gonna make you millions of dollars. But once you have a big placement, that allows you to brag with people, and then you can approach smaller artists. You can then make better deals. Because when you approach smaller artists and you sell yourself as the prize, you will have no problem getting big percentages on those placements. So I think everyone who makes music should do that, because you have the beats anyways. The advantage that we have as producers is that we can give products for people completely for free. Even people in other niches, like in e-com, they have physical products, they give them for free for people to try, and they take a huge, massive risk. But we can do that without any single risk. So you should really sit down and think like, what do I have and what can I use that other people cannot use to make more money? That's it.